Good morning, my friends. Welcome to Trading BKS. Today is 18th of February 2022. So Friday, so market still going up slightly. Okay, here is KLSE still going up slightly, but sentiment not so strong. Today, PLANTATION still very strong. Healthcare got slight rebound. Don't forget CGS-CIMB. Okay, having this exciting reward promotion. So if you register open account now, possible you can get cashback RM 888. You can even have opportunity to win iPhone, and if you open this trade beyond and a margin line account, you can get this waiver of the documentation fee. Okay, so a lot of opportunity to get some reward. So sign up, okay, using my link. You can find this link at my Facebook, and also this video description there. Okay, just click the link, fill in the form, and this CGS-CIMB this broker, right? This reminder, sorry, will contact you to open account online. Now everything open account, no need to go to the bank. You can open online. Even you are in Johor, you are in Penang, whichever, you are in the office also, you can do the registration. No need to go there. CGS-CIMB is a very good platform, okay, for you to start with. So let's check out what's going on today. Wow, KLCI still want to go up. No more energy. No more energy painting already, but still want to go up. Okay, still trying to go up today. But unlikely it can continue pump up Unlikely but anything can happen. But unlikely Okay, look like want to make a triple top Okay, so still okay, but I think next week possible you will turn around a bit So still okay Not very scary. We haven't get this big drop yet Last time you see it come to here, come to this 1006. It push up a little bit, then boom, right? Also here, okay, 1006, boom. This time 1006 still trying to hold. Okay, so possible a boom also coming. Look at the market. Now it's 11 o'clock, 11:11 now. Today a bit early because I got lunch with some friends today. So gainers is 311, losers are 3431. Market sentiment is 42. Okay. Volume is 1.2 not very big because you know Friday, right? 1605 change 0.71% up still up early morning down but still up a bit 0.04. So morning went up down a bit, it also continue slowly push up. So you see afternoon up or down. Afternoon still continue up means market still the institution still bullish. If the market down in the evening, then the institution likely not so bullish. Okay, consumer up 0.32. Industry only up 0.01, construction drop 0.33, technology drop again 1.27. So US still not very strong the market, still not very strong okay, and finance drop 0.29, property up 0.26, plantation today still up a bit 1.36, RET 0.08 drop, energy up 0.24, healthcare today up a bit 1.76, telecommunication up down 0.25, transportation down 0.31. Okay. Look at some top gainers today. We got PMBTECH continue to fly again. Let's see how to chase PMBTECH. So other than that, is all these KLK, all these plantation stock Batu Kawan, Heineken still up a little bit. IOICORP big volume, to take a look. SOP, all these continue to hold SWK plantation. All these plantation, Gengen P continue to hold. So this one. This a few that we managed to catch, so making good profit. ALCOM, we take a look. Plantation again. Padini also going up. We take a look at Padini. Padini very small volume. Inson today up a bit. Inson. Okay, so we want to look at this few. Padini, okay, take a look. Today I saw SPSETIA breakout. We want to take a look SPSETIA. Okay, let's take a look SPSETIA. Maybe got a chance to make SPSETIA. Last time we make how many percent SPSETIA? A lot, right? So looks like it has another breakout. SPSETIA. Remember how last time we make how much here? Buy channel bottom, sell channel top, right? Remember our number one strategy, right? We make around 30-40% around here. Some even, if we hold a high, even 50%. Okay, so now sideways come back here, channel sideways now broke up again. This one maybe okay. Morning can buy some. So see evening what happened. Okay, if evening continue to go up, if this one continue to stay above 1.3 tonight, right? Then next week on Monday, okay, Monday open, or maybe can add some more. Monday can add some more, right? So today pick some, Monday add some. If it's still positive, close positive, can add some more. We look at one ringgit 59 cent, which is the previous one, previous take profit. I think the earning coming at 24 so something like this earning coming so earning, okay, so there could be a pump. They possible making good earning. They could a pump, okay, somewhere, okay, before the earning so watch out okay. So next one looks like their earning should be quite good Okay, next one we want to take a look at PMB. PMB is still going but very dangerous. We're chasing very high. We already reached 50% profit already, 40% profit already at PMB. So this could be a trap. Okay, this could be a trap, a push and dump. Okay, could be something like this, a push and dump. So you have to be careful. Okay, so you already take all your profit. Never mind, take profit. Wait and see. If you haven't take profit, okay, you still continue to hold. Okay, so how do we play? Okay, let's say we want to chase again. Okay, if let's say I want to chase again, I already take profit, but I think it still can pump out, right? Okay, I draw a line over here at 19.325. I add alert. If it pump up, then I will chase. Use my profit to chase. So when I lose, I don't lose my money, right? Okay, so if we can pump up close above 19.325, maybe there's one more pump up. So this one, if you want to try, you can try. Then your stop loss will be here. Stop loss will be here. Okay, we lose a little bit to chase one more time. 17.76 is your stop loss. Below 17.76 is your stop loss. Okay, so this one, let's see what happens. You want to chase again, probably if you get good profit if you don't have any profit, you want to chase in, a bit dangerous now. Okay, let's check out the others. Not too many today. Today you see the up stock is only 311, right? Losers is 431, sentiment 48. So more losers. Okay, so let me see. IOICORP. IOICORP, we managed to chase also IOI. Okay, we managed to chase here 3.8. Okay, IOICORP. So continue fly, continue to hold until we see a big red candle or a lot of red candle coming in. This red candle is not significant. You see it's very small compared to this, right? Okay, so not significant. We continue to hold until the big red candle came in. Outcome today has got some momentum. Outcome. Oh, outcome too far already. Outcome, we are waiting it to break through. Yesterday we didn't see this. Missed already. Yesterday, if I saw this outcome, broke through this one, our entry point, 0.93 should have went in. If you already see this, already saw this yesterday, you went in, congratulations. Outcome looks like want to go up again. If you haven't seen it, then no choice no choice look for other stock This one, if you want to buy now, I think it's too late already. You already reached this top already. Reached this resistant area already. So not too good to go in now Outcome. Reach 1 ringgit 65 cents already. Too late already. If you go in yesterday, okay. Actually, yesterday, if I put the alarm, should have caught it, but I didn't put the alarm. So I caught it yesterday. Yesterday is an entry signal already. Never mind, we missed one. We don't catch every break. We cannot catch every stock that goes up. McLean trying to pick up, but no. Pin bar go back. McLean wait and see in the evening. Now cannot. Morning he try to go up, but cannot. Look at Pardini a bit. Pardini, most likely the report will be good also after Chinese New Year, right? So Pardini there, you see it got a double bottom here. See double top. Okay? The target same length with the neckline. right? Same length, slightly same length with the neckline. Now double bottom. So what we want to aim for? Now it's double bottom, reverse. Okay. Now you want to aim for the same target here, right? Okay, around 3.2. Oh. Okay, so that's it for today. 3.2, yeah, around 3.2 to this one. 3.2 to 3.34, okay? 3.34, so the bank, there's a one bank target here, 3.39, somewhere there. Okay, so that's it for today. See you in the evening. Stay safe from COVID. Bye-bye.